2 ways to install Pylivetrader on Windows. The first section uses Anaconda Environments. Or jump to install Pylivetrader on Windows hash. Using Anaconda Environment hash. Pylivetrader packages for Windows are hosted on our channel on Anaconda. To get started, follow these steps. Install the Python 3.7 version of Anaconda if you don't already have it. You may be prompted to register an Anaconda account after installation. From your Start menu, open Anaconda Prompt. Navigate into a development folder. mkdir alpacahq. cd alpacahq. Add the conda-forge, Quantopian, and alpacahq channels. Conda-config, add channels conda-forge. Conda-config, add channels Quantopian. Conda-config, add channels alpacahq. Create a virtual environment with the necessary packages installed. Conda create an Pylivetrader and Pylivetrader. Activate your new virtual environment. Source activate Pylivetraderenv. Once you follow these steps, you should be able to run Pylivetrader from the Anaconda Prompt terminal. Pylivetrader run example algorithm.py backend config example config YAML. You can reactivate this environment at any time by running source activate Pylivetraderenv inside the Anaconda prompt. If you encounter issues with setting your environment up, feel free to ask for help in our community Slack. A link to join is in the sidebar. Setup of Pylivetrader on Windows hash. Without Conda Environments hash. Anaconda is used here to place files, but then Conda is not used, just standard Python like pip. These steps are from a Windows user who kept track while successfully setting up Pylivetrader to run a Quantopian-like algorithm on Alpaca. Python, using Anaconda setup hash. I recommend Python 3.6 for now, to avoid potential problems. This is it, in Anaconda. Anaconda 3 to 5.2.0 Windows x86 64.x 631.3 M. The 30th of May 2018 13 hours 4 minutes and 18 seconds 62244 CO382 B8 https://repo.continuum.io/archive/anaconda 3-5.2.0 Windows x86 64.x. From https://repo.continuum.io/archive/. Install is just me or all users. To see Python 36, short simple paths make easier reading, copy, paste and everything else along the way. Check the boxes. Add to path and register as default. Install vscode at the end too. It can be useful, although it won't break into breakpoints on dependent files. Open a new CMD prompt and verify path. I added some new lines here for clarity, showing my path as an example. C greater than path. Path equals C Windows, System 32, C Windows, System 32, WBEM, C Windows, System 32, Windows PowerShell, v1.0, C Windows, System 32, opens. C Program Files, Microsoft VS Code bin. C Python 36. C Python 36, Library, Minji WW64, bin. C Python 36, Library, USR, bin. C Python 36, Library, bin. C Python 36, Scripts. C Users, less than user greater than app data, local, Microsoft Windows apps. Visual C++ 2015 build tools hash. This is a key step that resolves the LRUDIC compile snag. I found the answer here. https://stack-overflow.com/question/44566/pip-error-microsoft-visual-c-14-0- is required. In this link, in an answer, and it works. The link is unusual, and includes the period at the end. http://go.microsoft.com/foolinks/ Linked equals 691,126 and fix4 equals .x. Keys. Use keys.cmd, see the contents of the cmd file below, hash. Obtain keys from https://app.alpaca.markets/paper/dashboard/overview paper. Paste your key and secret key into the file below. Run that at cmd prompt. Keys are now set for the current CMD window and all others going forward, and any processes that rely on them. Pylivetrader hash. On the Start menu, open Visual C++ 2015 MS Build command prompt so the compiler will be found. Run these. Python.xm pip install upgrade pip. Pip install zipline. Pip install Pylivetrader. Pip install pipeline live. Pip install pip deptree. Pip deptree p Pylivetrader. In that last command, there are likely to be some conflicts, depending on one's own environment. For example, mine. C greater than pip deptree p Pylivetrader. Warning. Possibly conflicting dependencies found. Asterisk interval tree equals 3.0.2. Sorted containers required. Greater than equals 2.0, less than 3.0, installed. 1.5.10. Asterisk distributed equals 1.2, 1.8. mkdir required. Any, installed. Closing square bracket. Those are easy to resolve. I did so as follows. Just use the double quote pattern for versions. Pip install mkdir. Pip install sorted containers greater than equals 2.0. Try also. Pip deptree p zipline. Now all set. Everything is clean, hash. Run an example to make sure it works, hash. Grab the example at https://github.com/alpacahq/pylivetrader/blob/master/examples/q01/algo.py. Using the raw button. Save that as algo1.py. Open a new CMD window, command prompt, console window. cd to the directory where you saved that algo1.py file. I use capp. The stock market doesn't need to be open to test this. Type at the prompt. Pylivetrader run algo1.py. This output indicates it as fine. The 8th of May 2019, 1 hour 16 minutes and 42 seconds. 0.080187 info. Algorithm. Pylivetrader start running with backend equals alpaca data frequency equals minute. 93. The 8th of May 2019, 1 hour 16 minutes and 52 seconds. 0.327810 info. Algo. Algorithm initialized variables. Context, max candidates 100. Lower 6. Hiver 40. That was a starter algorithm by Alpaca. You can ask around in https://alpaca-community.slack.com/ and might find alternatives. Other hash. These are some other programs I use a lot on Windows for development. Notepad++ hash. https://notepad+++.org/. Make sure the 32-bit version even on x64 for TextFX and Python support. There's also a portable version out there if you search the web for it. TextFX characters. Plugins admin greater than TextFX greater than install. Settings, preferences, language Python, tab characters, replace by 4 spaces. Compare it hash. https://www.gregsoft.com/winsimp3.htm. Search and replace hash. https://www.fundig.com/search_replace.htm. PaintShop Pro 4.14 hash. Contact me, it is old. Just the essentials. For saving screen captures. On start one time. The first time, run it as administrator, right-click the icon and dig for that option. Otherwise will say it can't update the registry with its settings. Clear initial dialogues. Move toolbars all to the same line by dragging just off to the side of buttons, a tiny area available for that. PyCharm hash. https://www.jetbrains.com/pycharm/download/# section equals Windows. Another program I've been tinkering with and would be very good for development purposes, except for one thing. This can break into breakpoint set independent files too, unlike VS Code, not just the algo. However, there's no known way for it to initiate debugging with pylivetrader.x in use currently. Keys.cmd file content hash : sets alpaca keys, the environment variables, : for both the current --cmd window and or other applications going forward. To obtain keys, visit https://app.alpaca.markets/paper/dashboard/overview. I call this file keys.cmd to be able to just type --keys at the prompt after changes. Because the word --keys in Windows is already taken. Echo off. Set keys for the current window. Set APCA_API_key_ID equals PK85_your_key_6PVN. Set APCA_API_secret_key equals 6 waxoutmatex_your_key_NC1UQQKNLC. Set APCA_API_base_URL equals https://paper-api.alpaca.markets. Set them also for other windows and processes going forward. setxAPCA_API_key_ID. Present APCA_API_key_ID %. setxAPCA_API_secret_key %APCA_API_secret_key %. setxAPCA_API_base_URL. Present APCA_API_base_URL %. Displaying what was just set. Set APCA. Or for copy, paste manually. setxAPCA_API_key_ID. PK85_your_key_6PVN. setxAPCA_API_secret_key 6 waxoutmatex_your_key_NC1UQQKNLC. setxAPCA_API_base_URL. https://paper-api.alpaca.markets. app_files.cmd, another script I use and recommend to make things easier. Hash : I run a little app_files.cmd file like this to copy some of the latest files used by Pylivetrader to one place. Then with https://www.fundig.com/ftp/setup-sir64.x search and replace. I can quickly and easily look through them all for whatever reason. When the need arises to find something, it saves a ton of time. Search and replace is one of my main tools used most often, digging through algorithms for bits code. mkdir will fail if already exists, causing no problem. cd%user profile %documents. mkdir app site packages. cd%user profile %documents app site packages. xcopy ifdrishc python 36 lib site packages alpaca_trade_API. alpaca_trade_API. xcopy ifdrishc python 36 lib site packages ix finance. ix finance. xcopy ifdrishc python 36 lib site packages pipeline_live. pipeline_live. Xcopy, ifrishk C Python 36, lib, site packages, Pylivetrader. Pylivetrader. Xcopy, ifrishk C Python 36, lib, site packages, requests. Requests. Xcopy, ifrishk C Python 36, lib, site packages, trading_calendars. Trading_calendars. Xcopy, ifrishk C Python 36, lib, site packages, erlib3. Erlib3. Xcopy, ifrishk C Python 36, lib, site packages, logbook. Logbook. Xcopy, ifrishk C Python 36, lib, site packages, zipline. Zipline. Colon. Another step, once those are copied, I delete all of the .pyke files. Colon. They are precompiled cache versions of py files for faster startup, not needed there. Del sq*.pyke. Colon. Also deleting test files and directories. Colon. Files. Del sq test asterisk. Colon. Directories. Sad that this line needed to be so complex. For f%in dir a d sb test do road sq%i underscore section written by GHA on https://alpaca-community.slack.com/. Suggestions or questions. We're always happy to hear from you. You can contribute to these docs on GitHub, or you can join our community forum or community Slack to get help from other community members and the Alpaca team.
Please like, subscribe, and comment down below.